Hi students, welcome to Topper Classes, your friendly mentor in studies. Today we are going to see the question paper format for Maharashtra Board 2021 exam, subject Science and Technology, Part 1. This question paper is for 40 marks, and if we consider the option questions, then it is for 60 marks. Time given to solve the question paper is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Time management is an important thing. So whenever we are doing practice at home or solving the practice paper, we must keep in mind that 1 mark corresponds to 2.5 minutes. That means 1 mark question should be solved in 2.5 minutes, 2 mark question should be solved in 5 minutes, 3 mark question approximately 7 minutes, and 5 marks question approximately 12 or 13 minutes. Here I have kept 20-minute balance for doing various formalities like writing the number on answer paper or doing the revision, having some overview of our answer paper. So 20 minutes always keep in the hand so that you will not run out of the time. This paper has total 10 chapters, and now we will see the chapter wise mark distribution. So here is a list for chapters. You can pause the video and see the mark distribution. Example, the chapter gravitation is for 3 marks and it is for 5 marks with option. Dear students, one important announcement. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends so that you and your friend both get the benefits of this best video. Now we will see the question paper format for Science and Technology Part 1. Question first A is choose correct alternative. This question is for 5 marks. Here 5 multiple choice questions are given. Every question is carrying 1 mark. All questions are compulsory. There is only one correct option for the question and we have to solve all the 5 questions. The questions will be based on our textbook only. Now question number 1B is again answer the following question, but it is a objective type of question. Here also 5 objective questions are given. Every question carries 1 mark. All questions are compulsory. So some of the types of questions we are getting here is match the column or match the pairs, true false, give the names of or write the molecular formula, find the odd one out. This type of questions will come here. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2A is give scientific reasons. It is for 4 marks. Here 3 questions are given and out of that we have to solve any 2 questions. Out of 3 questions, minimum 1 question will come from physics, 1 question will come from chemistry. Now the question is for 2 marks, So we have to write 4 points supporting to our answer. We may draw a diagram also, but keep in mind that the answer of this question should finish within 5 minutes because it is a 2 marker question. So we should have the practice to solve the question within 5 minutes. Again, I am telling you, time management is very much important, and for that we should have the practice. Question number 2b. It is answer the following question. It is for 6 mark. Here 5 questions are given. Out of that we have to solve 3 questions. Now again, minimum 2 questions from chemistry and minimum 2 questions from physics will come out of the 6 questions. We can choose any questions as per our easiness. Now here the type of question is like this: write a short note or chemical reactions, give examples, solve the numerical, various laws, definition, principle, advantages. All this type of question will come here. Question number 3. Answer the following question. It is a overall 15 mark question. Now here total 8 sub questions are provided. Out of that we have to solve any 5 questions. Here also minimum 4 questions from chemistry and 4 questions from physics will be asked. Type of question is explain with the diagram or correct the diagram. Some mistakes are given in the diagram. We need to correct the diagram or solve the numerical problem, complete the paragraph, write the laws, theories, rules, answer the questions based on the diagram. All these types of questions will come here. Question number 4 is a 5 mark question. Here we are given 2 questions. One question will come from physics, one question will come from chemistry. Out of that we have to solve any one question. That question carries 5 marks. So this is the paper pattern for Science 1. In the coming days, I will make other videos also. So it will help you in the study of science as well as mathematics. So don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and share this video with your friends also. Thank you, students.